The hurricane slowed our plans down a little bit, but we are right back at it and making some progress in this backyard. The pool was set last week and they got it in place. Now we are working on getting the walls set up and getting our grade where it needs to be. So you can see Sonny, we got Sonny in the excavator and we are digging a trench here. So this is where our wall, to make sure that our pool doesn't slide down the hill, is going. So it's gonna be pretty deep. You can see this is kind of a berm right here. So all this dirt is gonna get kind of pulled and leveled and put out through here. But you know, check out this pool. This is a midnight pool. This is a black pool. It's really, really cool. Let me walk around the other side. So you can see our trench right now. So the wall's gonna come down here, do a 45, come to here, and do another 45, and it's just gonna continue on there. There's gonna be a wall right here, and it's attached to the actual pool. So you can see we're setting it right on top of the pool right now. And we're actually wet setting this. So we're putting a concrete base on it, setting this up right now. These pipes are actually going to be our waterfall. So there's actually gonna be waterfall spilling into the pool when this wall is done. It's gonna be really cool. So that's just plumbed right into the pool. Water's gonna spill right in. And then in this top area, I know it doesn't look like it right now, but in this top area, there's actually gonna be a water feature. So the idea is to kind of give it the illusion of this water feature bubbling and going crazy and then kind of cascading down into the pool. Our tricky connection over here is right here. So you can see this long set of stairs coming down, and then we're gonna have another set, 2 different sets of stairs in here coming down to our base level. So it's a little bit complicated when we're trying to make sure all those grades are set. And this wall is gonna work back right in here, and then there's gonna be a hot tub set right up on top there. And then once all of our walls are done and we've got our elevation under control, there's gonna be a big gas fireplace or fire pit right here, and then all pavers all down and around here, and then landscaping. And you can kind of see this is the corner of our wall right here. So our fence is actually gonna go right along the top of the wall, all the way over to where Sonny is, and then coming back over. So as you can see, there's definitely a lot going on here. We've got a few challenges, and anybody that says you're never gonna need math when you grow up, yeah, they're wrong. There's a lot of math that's going into this to make sure it all comes out to the right height, right dimensions, right levels. I'll check in with you guys a little bit later.